Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Roland and I'm your tutor. In this particular video, we will be doing the lowest common multiple. If you haven't watched it already, the previous video talking about the highest common factor explains how to find the HCF. Now, as I mentioned in that video, the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple are similar in terms of working each other out, but they're different in a certain way. So let's look through this video and see exactly how to find the LCM and sit back, relax and enjoy. So the smallest of common multiples is known as the lowest common multiple. Now a multiple is obviously the number that is common between terms. So multiple would be like 2 and 3 when you're trying to find 6, so 2 times 3 would be 6, both of which are multiples. So the smallest of common multiples is known as the lowest common multiple, or LCM. So if you ask for the LCM, just understand that this process that we're about to do is going to explain exactly what you need. So we can find the LCM by determining the prime factors of a particular number. We call this process the process of decomposition, and alternatively we can call it the ladder method, like I like to call it. Right, so there we have it. We determine the LCM of 2 or more numbers by using prime factors. Here we start with an example. If you're looking for the LCM, we will find the LCM of the following. The number is 24 and the other is 90. Let's do our ladder method, or the process of decomposition as it's known professionally. We'll start with 24. We can use 2 or 3. We now can use our 2. We're left with 4. 2 gives you 2. 2 gives you 1. So 24 is equal to 2 cubed times by 3, or 3 times 2 cubed. The order is not really that important. Let's now do 90. 90 is the same as saying divided by 5 gives you 18. Now, if we've got 18, we can use 3. This will give us 6 divided by 3 again, will give us 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 90 is therefore equal to 2 times 3 squared times 5. Now, where we would have highlighted this exact same prime factors for highest common factor, we do something somewhat different over here. You kind of cross out the common factors. Let's sit back and see it. So we take 3, because 3 is, we have 3 2's. You see we've got 3 on the left, and we've got 2 3's. So that's the highest order factors. So 2 to the 3, so you've got a 2 and a 2, but you've got a 2 to the 3 on the left, and you've got a 3 and a 3, but you've got a 3 squared on the right. So you'll take 3 2's, and you'll take 2 3's, and a 5. Okay? You'll then take that and multiply it together to find your LCM. So you got your 3 2's, so 2 to the 3, and 3 to the 2, and 5. Multiply them together, you find your LCM. I'm just making a couple of notes here for you. So notice that you take the higher of the exponents, or power in this case, it's the same term, just a synonym for each other. Like as I explained, you've got 3 to the power of 1 on the left, you've got 3 to the power of 2 on the right, therefore you must take 3 to the power of 2 out. You've got 2 to the power of 3 on the left and 2 to the power of 1 on the right. Remember, it's an invisible one. Right, there we go. And you pull those out. You can see I'm writing it there. You take 3 2's, and you've got 2 3's, therefore you pull that out. There's your invisible 1 on the left there. And then you pull out a 5 to the 1, because there's a 5 to the 0, which is invisible on the left. 5 to the 0 is the same as saying times by 1. Right, there we have it. You've got 2 to the power of 3, and 3 to the power of 2, and 5 to the power of 1. What do we do now? Well, we more than likely going to multiply them together. So let's write, therefore, the LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 to the power of 3. There we go. We're going to say 2 to the power of 3. It's a lot shorter and more efficient. You need to make sure that you finish correctly in your test so you don't waste time. So we say 3 squared, and then we say times by 5. 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 3 to the power of 2 is 9, and 5. So you've got 8 times 9 times 5 equals 360. Easy game.